Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Noon. So let me take you to the website, which is noon.com. For the ones who don't know about them, noon.com is a leading e-commerce platform in the Middle East and was launched in 2017. It operates in countries like the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Kuwait, Qatar, and Bahrain. The platform sells electronics, fashion, beauty products, home goods, groceries, and much more. So what you're waiting for? If you're from any of these countries, you can come to the website, explore all the amazing products, and if you like something, go ahead and buy it for you or for your family. But that's not exactly why we're here. As usual, we're here to earn money from the brand. So how do we earn money from Noon? By simply joining the affiliate program. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down till the very bottom of the page to the footer section, click on Noon affiliate program, which will take you to the affiliate program page. The first question arises, affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program of Noon? Well, the affiliates only from UAE, KSA, which stands for Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, or Egypt can end up joining the affiliate program of Noon. To the consumers of which countries can you promote Noon in order to receive commission? For that, you can come to the website once again, click on Deliver To, and over here, ship to, you can select the list here and you would be able to see all the countries available here. So you would only receive commission if you're bringing sales from the consumers of any of these countries. All right. And on their field program page, if you scroll down, you will see earn up to 10% commission by becoming an affiliate. So that means how exactly it works. You sign up, you share your tracking links or coupon code, and you can earn up to 10% commission on the sale amount depending on the kind of product that you are promoting. And if you scroll down, you would be able to see FAQ section here. For anything that isn't covered in this video, you might want to come to the affiliate program page. I'm going to mention the link in the video description as well. Come to this page, explore all these questions and learn the answer of these. And if you ever want to reach out to the affiliate program team of Noon, you can simply write an email to them at this email address. So how do you join their affiliate program or sign up for their affiliate program? For that, you can scroll up and you can click on join now for free, which will take you to the login page. Over here, you can click on do you have an account, sign up. When you do that, it will ask for the email address followed by the display name. So I'm going to mention my email address, and sure, whatever email address you're mentioning here, you should have access to it. And after the email address, you can mention the name that you want to display on your affiliate account with Noon. And then you can click on I'm not a robot. Thereafter, you can complete the captcha. And once you're done with it, click on continue. It will take you further and it will create an account for you, and it will also send one-time password at your given email address. So you can log into your email account, and over there you would be able to see an email from them. Let me try to search an email. As you can see, this is the email I got. Similar to this, you would also receive an email with your one-time password. So you can copy this password and you can come here, you can paste your password in here and click on login. When you do that, it will take you further to the sign up step, which will be entering your phone number. So you can select your country code from here. I'm gonna go with India, and then you can enter your phone number here, followed by click on OTP. When you do that, you will receive a message from Noon affiliate program team at WhatsApp. So you should be having WhatsApp on your cell phone as well, registered with this phone number. And once you take the password from there, one-time password, enter the password in here and click on verify. It will again ask you to enter your organization name. You might want to go with the same name as you have mentioned in the display name. And once you have completed that step, it will create an affiliate account of Noon, and it will take you to something called Noon Affiliate Dashboard. And if you ever want to log into your Noon affiliate account, you can always come to the affiliate program page, click on login, which will always take you to this login page. Enter your email address in here, followed by click on continue. And it won't ask for the password, but rather it will ask for the one-time password, which you can always capture from your email account. And after entering your password, you can click on login, which will again take you to the same affiliate dashboard. So either through sign up or through login, it will take you to the same affiliate dashboard. And once you're on the dashboard, you can click on campaigns and you would be able to see multiple campaigns here, or maybe one. So you will see everyday campaign, which is just a normal campaign. And then you would be able to see some event related campaign. So this is Beauty Squad campaign. Whichever campaign you want to be part of, you can simply click on it. For example, you want to create a beauty product kind of links, you can click on it. Otherwise, you can click on everyday campaign. So let's go with everyday campaign for now. When you click on it, it will take you to this section. Over here, you would be able to see different coupons available, which you can promote, which you can share with your audience. And when your audience would buy something, they'll get some discount and you will also receive commission. And how do you create your coupon? If you don't see anything in here, simply click on generate random coupon, it will generate a random coupon for you. It will give you the coupon code. You can take it and you can share it with your audience. It will also show when it will start and when it will end. And then if you want to create tracking links or get the tracking links, you can click on links, and over here you would be able to see homepage UAE, homepage Saudi Arabia. So you can copy this link and share it with your audience or your traffic. But instead of copying the existing link, what if you want to create tracking link of any web page on Noon's website? Let's say a product that you like. For example, this is a product that I like. I want to create a tracking link for it. So I'm going to copy this URL, the URL for the product. We'll come to the dashboard. I'll click on campaign. I'll click on links. And this time I'm going to click on generate custom link. Over here, I can give it the name of the product. So let's say I'm just going to call it test number 2, but you might want to give it the actual product name. And then I'm going to paste the product URL in here. Thereafter, I can click on generate link. What this will do, it will create a tracking link for me. As you can see, test 2 custom link. So I can copy this link, and if I'm going to share it with my audience, this is how the link would look like. And if someone would click on it, it will redirect them to the same product that I just used for creating the tracking link. So this is how you can create the tracking link of any web page of Noon that you like, and you can start promoting them. Let's say you also are interested in banners or assets. For that, you can click on banners, and over here you will see banners categorized in different sizes. You can click on this drop down icon and it will show you all different banners available. So if you like, you can download any of this banner and integrate the banners with your tracking link on your website. All right, so this is how you can create tracking links and use banners and assets available. And if you're interested to know the commission rate, you can click on commission structures, and over here you would be able to see different commission rates available depending on the category type. So as you can see, apparel 10% commission rate on the sell amount. I will scroll down for mobile, you'll see 2%. So depending on the product that you're promoting, depending on the product sales that happens, you would receive the commission accordingly. The next question arises, where can you start promoting Noon? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website or blog. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, you might want to put the product links, any product links of Noon somewhere on your homepage or maybe category page or any section that you like, which is more suited for your audience and traffic. Second way is blog. Now, blog could be amazing here because you could write different blog posts about different products available on Noon and maybe integrate your tracking link with your blog post. So this way, when people would read the blog post, if they like the product, they'll click on the link and you will end up getting commission. Third way is social media. Now, social media could be great here because you could create videos, posts, reels, and put your tracking link somewhere in the description or the comment. So this way, when people would consume your content and if they like it, they can just go ahead and click on the link and buy the product. Fourth way is shopping website. Now, I feel like shopping websites are great here because people would come to these kind of websites to learn about different products available out there, correct? Basically to shop. So as an affiliate, if you got a shopping website, maybe you create a different section just for the products of Noon. So this way, when people would come to your website, they'll get to the Noon section, they'll click on those Noon products, which you must have integrated on your website. And if they'll buy any of those products, you'll get the commission. All right, so let's say you started promoting Noon and you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the Noon affiliate dashboard once again, and this time click on reports. And over here, you would be able to see your performance. What about the payment? For that, you can click on payments and you can click on set up your payments if you haven't already updated your payment details. Over here, you can give your full name, ID type you can select. So Emirates ID, National ID, or Equima ID. So any of these ID would work. And then you can click on country, select your ID country as well. As I said, affiliates only from UAE, KC, and Egypt can join. So then you can also mention your ID number and then enter your country code, enter your phone number, enter your ID expiry date, and also upload the ID document. Thereafter, you can also give your banking details and click on submit. So this is how you can update your payment methods. Once you've updated your payment details in here, you can expect to receive commission from Noon via bank transfer. Just so you know, they send commission approximately 45 days after the month ends. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Noon. You create an account with them, you get the tracking link, you start promoting them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Noon. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.